Before you get monetized, making money as a small creator can be pretty difficult. So today I'm going to show you my favorite way of making passive income as someone who has under 10,000 followers on all social media platforms. I'm sure you've seen your favorite influencer at some point push their Amazon storefront. On your Amazon storefront, you can put all your favorite products and items, and when your followers or people you know buy things on your page, you get a commission on each item. Commission is when someone buys from your page, you then get a small percentage of whatever the price was on that product. My favorite is that there is no specific follower count that you need to have to start your page. When I started my storefront, I had around 5,000 followers on TikTok. Even though there's no specific follower count that you have to have, I've heard that it is most successful when you start around 500 or 1,000 followers. I will leave the link below so you know exactly what page to go to when you want to sign up. After you are approved, you will then be given a customized link that you can put in the description of your videos or your bio, and you can then direct your followers to go check it out. I started making money around February and since then have made almost $800. After you are given access to your storefront, you are then going to want to customize it like any other social media page, make it look cute, add a profile picture, and after you customize it to your liking, it is time to make your first list. Okay, right now you are seeing my storefront from my end, and if I go ahead over and hit create content and then hit idea list, it will bring me to a page where I can start adding my products. Today, I'm going to make a list for all my makeup favorites. So I'm going to start by adding a title. Once you have your title, add all the products that you want to add to your category. And then hit submit. And it might not automatically be on your storefront page, but within the next day or so, it will get posted. I always see my list up within the day, so it doesn't take too long, but it does have to be approved. Once it's approved, you can go ahead and start linking it wherever you want and directing people to your page. Alongside idea lists, you can also post videos and photos. So typically, if I have some content that I have made for TikTok or YouTube, and it shows a product that I've either reviewed or really enjoyed, I will post the video also onto my storefront and link the items there. And this helps for when people are just scrolling through Amazon, they can see your video and buy from you there. One of my most popular lists was my record player essentials. So as we can see, I just listed my record player, my speakers, my turntable, the table that it sits on, my sleeves. This has been my most lucrative list so far because I think a lot of people, when they're looking for a setup, it's super easy to have all of the products linked in one space. Hopefully, after you start referring people to your page, you will start making a little bit of money. Amazon makes it super easy to see how much you've made, and it kind of breaks down where it all comes from. If you want to see how much money you've made, hit see reporting. And this is where you're going to see all the nitty-gritty details of your page, what products are selling the best, how many clicks you've received. When you get paid through a check, they do take about $15 out of that amount. You'll get your payments 30 days after the money has been made. So you're not necessarily getting the money you've made from that month, but the month before. And then once you've made your storefront, it's time to go promote it. I found the easiest ways is on YouTube. I link it in my description. In my opinion, I don't really like to just put my storefront in my bio, so I put it in my link tree. I also feel like a link tree is a little bit more conspicuous. I feel like a lot of social media platforms don't like you directly linking to places where you can make commission. It is always important to disclose that you are able to make commission on these links. I think most apps make it mandatory that you have to tell your audience that you are able to make money. I think that's all I have to say on Amazon storefronts. I will have my Amazon storefront linked in my description below, so if you'd like to go check that out, that would mean the world to me. Also, if you want to go check out my other social media platforms, I will have them somewhere around here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!